This 2019 Grand Design Reflection 303 RLS rear living triple slide island kitchen is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 32 feet 5 inches in length and features Sleep 6, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, external shower, slide-out, skylight, TV, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Grand Design Reflection 303 RLS rear living triple slide island kitchen is 9,664 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.